Hi there. The start of this week saw temperatures of 20 Celsius plus across the Northwest Highlands. The start of next week will be very different as the weather turns colder and more unsettled. But for the time being, we keep the crystal clear skies, barely a cloud in sight on Thursday evening. Just some mistiness around some coasts of Shetland, for example, Orkney, and perhaps some around eastern coasts. But otherwise, for the vast majority, it is clear spells. And as a result, with light winds in combination with those clear spells, it's going to be a chilly night. Temperatures in main urban centres, 3 to 6 Celsius perhaps, but certainly a touch of frost in sheltered parts, especially through the Grampians. Then as we start off Friday, a chill in the air first thing. However, quickly it warms up because we're going to see, again, sunny skies. Across the country, it's going to be a sunny day, and those blue skies persisting into the afternoon. Again, an exception or two, just some mistiness around some northeastern coasts perhaps, and some low cloud, but actually for most it is sunny. It's also fairly breezy, and that breeze will, of course, allow temperatures to be held back for eastern coasts in particular, with highs of 10 to 13 Celsius on the North Sea coast. But it's in the west where, once again, we'll have the warmth. The warmest spot in the whole of the UK, in fact, 18 or 19 Celsius. Then heading into Friday night, signs of a change. Initially, we're going to see an increase in this low cloud mist, the Ha. That's going to encroach upon northeastern coasts. But also we're going to see the clouds thicken towards the south. And that is because high pressure, which has been so influential this week, is going to start to migrate to Greenland. That will allow this gradient to set up across the country with tighter isobars, and a weather front moves in from the south, turning things more unsettled. Initially just in the south, with a thicker cloud for Dumfries and some outbreaks of rain first thing Saturday. Those spells of rain will start to move slowly and erratically northwards, perhaps reaching the central belt by the afternoon. Showery rain, but certainly towards the southeast. Quite a wet day to come, I think. However, we keep the sunshine across central and northern parts, an exception being those coasts affected by the Ha, where it could remain misty through the day on Saturday. But where we get the sunshine, we've still got some warmth, just through this narrow slice. And I think for some of the Western Isles, again, temperatures of 17, perhaps 18 Celsius. But elsewhere across the country, the north and the south and the east, 11, 12, more likely. Then into Sunday, things do turn more unsettled more widely, but also we're going to see colder air arrive from the north, and that will bring some snow to the hills and mountains start of next week.